Guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today we have an AION UT. We did install a DDPAI N5 dual 4K Ultra HD front and rear dash camera. The rear camera is right here. You can pull out this cover just a little bit and then run the cable through the rubber grommet over here and then all the way to the front. Be careful when you DIY, run the cable just behind of the airbags all around here, and then we did install the front camera right here so it won't distract the other ADAS camera that comes from the car. As you can see, all the cables are hidden, and then we connect the power point all the way down here to the OBD, connecting all the way across the A pillar right over here and connect to the OBD port, the onboard diagnostics. So this actually, it is very helpful for DIYers because you don't need to find the fuse box in order to get power. So now the camera will recording both in drive mode and in parking mode.
Hello, DDPAI.
So as soon as the camera is on, you can turn on the DDPAI app and get into the camera and see live. Thanks for watching.